Hi, and welcome to SellerWiz video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to organize your leads using the sourcing and tags and notes sections. Product deals have different attributes or information that can help you get organized later. SellerWiz provides you with 3 different ways to get this sorted out. First is the sourcing section, where you can record how and where you find the leads. The date submitted is pre-populated with today's date. Click on it if the lead was submitted on a date other than today, and select the desired date. Model is the methodology used to find a lead. When you click on the field, you will see some common options. You can also add your own if you wish. Lead source is the virtual assistant or company where you get the leads. Click on it and select or add where the lead comes from. The supplier is where you intend to buy this lead from. Click on it and select or add where you intend to purchase it. The source URL is intended to have the supplier's product links, so your buyer can easily access them. Copy from your source site and paste it into the provided slot. The second way is the tags, which is used for any structured data for attributes that are common to some leads. Just select from the available list, or you can also add a new one. And lastly is the notes section, which can be used for unstructured information specific or unique to the product being evaluated. You just need to input the information in the field. All of the fields discussed can be exported to your Google Sheet as individual columns, so you can easily organize and manage your leads. I hope you enjoyed our video tutorial. Thank you for watching.